thinking whether we can get to this section if we go all the way there. Like,
Oh wait, so if we were parked there, do you think that's how we would get here?
Here, yeah.
It's so pretty.
Because that little rock right there, that big rock right there, it blocks, like it separates this side from this side.
So pretty. I bet what is that story? The gingerbread? No. The lady where Hansel and Gretel go and then she cooks them in the oven or tries to.
She tries to cook them in the oven.
Yeah. Hansel and Gretel. I feel like it looks like the house. The house is made of candy. Okay, guys, we're on a trip.
To the beach,
On a trip to the beach, and yeah, we're just like vlogging, trying to figure out what people want to ask for this Ramadan vlog. What day is it today?
Today is Sunday.
No, but like Ramadan was.
It's 13. It's 13.
I should have been. See, this is the problem. I have that mic. I should turn it. Right, and it's like you're still gonna be stuck in traffic. Oh, okay. I don't know if this mic is working or not. And then can it pick up like a lot of the sounds? Hi guys. So this time I'm gonna do a proper introduction. This is Abdul, my husband. Do you want to say anything?
Hello. That's it.
Okay, so we're doing a Ramadan vlog and we're just right now enjoying the beach. Yeah, we're fasting obviously, but we're just, relaxing.
We're taking a walk.
Yeah.
Getting some fresh air.
Yes, indeed. But yeah, we asked a few questions, or people ask us questions on what they want us to answer regarding Ramadan. But I also came up with some questions. I think the questions were more like living in California and fasting, and then also how many hours.
And when we became conscious about...
Oh yeah, I'm gonna ask each one, but starting with that question.
Right. So I think there's a handful, well, not handful of Muslims, there's a big Muslim population in California. So it's nice, we do go to Taraweeh at night, so the night prayers. We break fast at home. Most of the times we cook. Sometimes if we don't have a lot of time, and maybe if we have a lot of dishes, um, we do end up taking out. But today we're gonna cook. Well, I'm gonna cook today, so yeah.
Right. So, yeah, basically for me, I think it's nice. It's different kind of weather than what I'm used to, so I really enjoy that. It's not too hot. I mean, Ramadan, it changes every year. But yeah, going to masjid, I'm so happy that this year we got to do that. Last year, because of the pandemic, we couldn't. But it's still like social distance, in the masjid, and we have to wear masks. But also, there's that you can pray outside.
Well,
Option.
even if you're playing outside, if you're not wearing a mask, they'll kick you out.
You still have to wear a mask. So, but it's nice to have that because going to the mosque definitely helps with the sense of community in Ramadan. Okay. So I guess what's another thing that we were saying? Oh, at what age were you conscious of Ramadan and you knew not too much, but just that we do this every year kind of thing?
At a very young age, because growing up in Nigeria, everyone fasts in the family, and especially in predominantly Muslim state, so you kind of grow up in that atmosphere. So I would say at a very young age, I can't put a number to it. Maybe I started fasting like the whole days when I was less than 14, 15.
So you do all 30?
Yeah, because if you see other people doing it, it becomes more of a challenge. You want to partake in the whole activity.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That makes sense. Yeah, I feel like I was maybe 7 when I was conscious of it, and I would only do a few days though. I wouldn't do everything at 7. But I know at 7 years old, my grandpa did take me for Umrah. And so that actually really helped me learn about Ramadan, especially at that age. I was able to be in a Muslim country where everybody's fasting and there's the Kaaba, so I learned a lot from age 7, I would say. And then, yeah, I basically started having to do all. But that's the thing, you become an adult per se, not an adult, but a man or a woman, that's when it becomes obligatory on you.
Yeah. Just when you get to the age of puberty.
Right, so you hit puberty and then it becomes obligatory. So even if before you were doing 10 days, once you reach that, they're obligatory on you, right? I guess how is Ramadan different for you, growing up versus being here? Yeah.
I would say the only thing for the most part is location. Location. I feel more. I prefer Ramadan with a lot of family members compared to how it is right now. Even though it is the two of us, it is nice, but it's much better if you are breaking your fast with family, as opposed to just the two of us. So yeah, that's what I would say.
Right. For me, I now being married. Yeah, I guess that is a question too, but which you did answer. How Ramadan is different being married. Yeah, I was used to being in a house with a lot of people and everybody cooking different days, but now it's just the two of us, and I feel we can't cook as much as we would when there's a lot of people in a house.
Right.
But it's still nice, like, I guess that going to the masjid part, and also, like, we're doing it together. It's still not just one
Right.
person, so.
I mean, before we got married and before COVID, I would usually break my fast at the masjid with a lot of people. So like that was something that's somewhat close to breaking fast with family.
Right. Okay, when it comes to food, what is your favorite thing to break your fast with?
I'm not really picky about the type of food that I want to eat, but I would say I need dates. Preferably if I can get something that I'm used to, like growing up, like osei, kunu, some pepper chicken. If I could get some jollof rice, some like a salad on the side, like that's
You're
what I would
making
say
me
is an
hungry
ideal
You're making me hungry.
meal to break my fast with.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Honestly, yeah, I like having like something solid. Like, people just eat like fried food right off the bat, like kawai irung achi kama samosa osei wanini. I need.
You did that day before yesterday.
Did I?
Yeah, you.
That's because I didn't want to eat that whatever it was.
Okay, yeah.
But I prefer it in chitu, like, or masa is literally my favorite food in the world, but like I don't know how to make it, unfortunately.
Yeah. You need some
I need to go learn. I need to watch somebody make it. So,
need some equipment.
right. So yeah. And like you like dates, I feel like I'll eat like one date. You'll eat the like 3, right? I don't know. Dates I like, but they're really sweet, so I can't do too much. He's getting distracted by the child. What is he doing though, for real? All right. Well, we have to close this off because we're like, getting to 10 minutes. So, yeah. What would you like to say?
Well, this is my first. Is it a vlog?
I called it a vlog, but I feel like
an-
it's just sit and talk with us or whatever. We'll see how I'm gonna put it.
Whatever it is, it's my first time doing it, and thanks for watching.
Yeah, thank you for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. Okay. And tell us what you want to see from us, All right. Goodbye. Look at all the flowers.